to go a little bit further, because I know some people are saying, well, that sounds nice, but where's the proof, right? Where's the science? And you do state that Somavedic has been scientifically proven to improve immunity and accelerate bodies. So can you go into that? Because I know everyone's ears perk up when they hear scientifically proven, and you either get people that are really happy or really skeptical.
Yeah.
Go into that.
For sure. No, I definitely understand it, because devices like Somavedic or any other product in the frequency therapy space, let's say, like sound healing, it might not be a new thing. Let's say in Eastern medicine, they're using it for hundreds of years. But for the modern Western society, it is a new something that is still to be like mainstream. But we are going there. So that's why I totally understand that people are skeptical and want to see the proof. And we, of course, have done various studies from Germany, from Austria, or from Slovenia or Czech Republic. So I would mention few of them that, and there's a short story behind that as well. As basically two doctors bought a Somavedic for their own personal use, and they realized, first of all, they didn't feel that much of a difference, but their wives, they loved it. Their headaches were gone, their sleep improved, and with both of them, the plants were growing faster. So they said, this is really interesting. So we can see these effects, so let's measure it. So basically they approached us that they would like to measure it. And they designed a small study, preclinical study, because they didn't want to do a full-scale study, as they were not sure if there will be any results. So they've done a small preclinical study with 10 people, and they were measuring blood pressure, sleep, and basically how they feel. So, and they found, and this was with people, basically patients. Majority of them were about 60 years old, and they found out that after 4 weeks, their blood with 70% of them, their blood pressure got lower. The blood pressure normalized, and there was basically no other change in their supplementation or lifestyle. It was just adding Somavedic to their homes, where they spent in its field at least 8 hours a day, mainly during the sleep, when they were sleeping. So this was quite a profound measurement. That blood pressure, that's huge. So. And second thing, and what was interesting that one of the patients had low blood pressure, and at the end of the 4 week, it got higher, but it was normalized. So it went from both sides, it just basically normalized. And so then they were measuring the sleep, and they found out that they had longer and more deeper sleep. And what was for them even more profound for the doctors was the patient's mental state. They said that they felt more relaxed, calmer, they felt more happy. So because they were using everyday standardized questionnaires, and there was a huge shift on how they feel, which is really, really important. So this is one study, and we are soon launching, because of the COVID, we had to postpone it, but we are soon launching. Basically the same doctors designed a full-scale double-blinded study with 66 patients it will be extended, more biomarkers measured, but it will be very similar to this one, and the same doctors will be doing it. Where if it would be at least as successful as was the small trial, they will basically file for a medical device registration. So so this is one study. Then we have we've sent the Somavedic to Switzerland to do the photos of the water crystals, which showed positive like results as well. Then I've mentioned you the free radical levels. So and right now we have a US lab that is already started a study with it was also various biomarkers. It should be finished in about a month, and we will publish the results soon. So yeah, I mean, this would be in a nutshell.
No, that's great. It's really amazing how when you just switch the environment slightly, you alleviate a number of things because you're getting the body to regenerate. So it's not this, idea that Somavedic works only on, certain colds, or Somavedic works on the cough, or works on just the respiratory system. It's not even that Somavedic works on any of those things. It just provides the environment for the body to heal itself, correct? So it's not, it's,
Exactly.
you're probably making no medical claims, I'm sure, because this isn't a medical device and you don't want the FDA to look at this as a medical device. It is a harmonizing device, and that's precisely what it is. But why wouldn't you want to create the environment around you that allows your body to then sleep better, regenerate, increase blood, decrease blood pressure, or whatever you need? Maybe you have hypo, so you need to increase. That's the body doing it itself. You're just providing the environment.